Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to give you an update on the Portmore Resilience Park. Now the government has budgeted 550 million in the 2024-25 budget to construct this park. And they plan to budget $1 billion in the 2025-26 budget to complete the park. So, as you know, Portmore is one of the fastest growing. It's going to be the 15th parish of Jamaica very soon. And a lot of development is going on in Portmore. Portmore has one of the largest populations outside of the city of Kingston. And there's a lot of space in Portmore for expansion. So they want to build a park, a modern resilience park in Portmore. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the 550 million that they're allocating for the upcoming fiscal year. The government will be spending an estimated 550 million in the upcoming fiscal year on the Portmore Resilience Park's construction. The intention is to create a 21-acre green recreational space for the residents of the Portmore community in St. Catherine and visitors, inclusive of 3 acres of commercial development. Details of the undertaking are contained in the 2024-25 estimates of expenditure now before the House of Representatives. It is anticipated that the project, which is being implemented by the Urban Development Corporation (UDC), will achieve 12% completion of the construction in 2024-25. Meanwhile, an estimated $1 billion is being earmarked to undertake work in the 2025-26 year if necessary. The park will serve as a hub for recreation, sports, wellness, and entertainment. The development comes as the government moves to establish Portmore as the country's 15th parish. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, said the project will be undertaken on a 26-acre property, of which 18 acres will be used for the park. Approximately 5 acres will be reserved for the Ministry of Transport and Mining and 3 acres for a commercial space. The Urban Development Corporation will be undertaking a project which represents investment of $3 billion. The construction is estimated to last 2 years. The park will be named Resilience Park for its focus on using climate-smart designs and technology to ensure sustainability, Mr. Holness said. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.